Simon Ekpa don release a video of his new army under Biafra Liberation Army. No be small thing o, my people. As we dey talk now, they say this one na Dragon Squad. As e read now, they say na this Dragon Squad na dem go dey take am one on one with the Nigerian army. I say, hey, this one don read o. My wonderful people, they say some market in Anambra State don come outside talk say they are not going to resume business on Mondays unless they release the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. That is, Nigeria government is showing them injustice against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And as it is, other markets in Imo State and other states in Biafra land have made also this comment, but some people insisting that they should resume market on Mondays. My people, things are happening, but I'm going to go inside this thing. We'll go know what's in the sub for inside this area. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Please share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more updates. Let's jump inside the matter and know how it dey go. Recent video wey showcase for internet where the Biafra government in exile wey be Simon Ekpa release the new army called Biafra Liberation Army Dragons. See, now this one a special squad, one battalion of special squad. Now I'm bring come outside. Hey, you don't read though, my people. I'm going to show you the video. May you watch and before we come back and continue. I am going to show you the testimony of Nigeria Army, the things where they see for inside Enugu State, where they come there to confess the Biafra Liberation Army, ESN, and other forces in Biafra land. Let me show you the video waiting they talk here.
Nah. Embo kwa nani ifu kavasi ewesi mmadụ na dawo.
Akada kwa ndị amani ibe.
Feche ene nugu arụ eme.
Feche ene nugu a ya natakwa.
Wana aje kwali ogo. Aje kwali ogo.
Aswa na ekene di kwalo Chukwu.
Oh, Chukwu bolisa number 1.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please, I want you to share this video as many as you can, because our people need to know what thing they happen and make they follow everything bomber to bomber. As they share the video, make sure say they follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure say you also turn your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person we're gonna get the update. I want to talk about waiting the comment where the market people make in Southeast concerning the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been in DSS dungeon for over 2 years plus now, and the Nigeria government has no reason of holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Things are getting worse every day in Nigeria, and they didn't see it wise to release this man and seek for urgent solution. Do you know that God bless all countries or everybody with different gifts? When you come to America today, you see that America, no matter what they do to the black people, but still yet the black people always in high offices, army general, many this, that. Yes, in UK, although there is a partial there, but still yet there are people, the black ones are still making their ways. So why am I saying this thing? In Nigeria today, the Igbos are very good in terms of economy. They are very good on it. So when you start excluding them, making them to feel like you own Nigeria, Yorubas and the Hausas, Nigeria can never move forward, because it's never your gift. It is never your gift. Your gift may be the leader, but there are some sessions you can never occupy. So Nigeria cannot work if everybody is not carried along. And now the people have making and taking their own boarding step and say that, hey, we want to stay on our own so that we can create a better future for our children. And you people said no. Who does that? However, Nigeria must separate. There's no ways. Stop wasting resources and save that resources to yourself so that you use it to build your own paradise when everybody goes home, and declare everybody to be free, so that even though we have to be together, we have to come to round table and decide our fate. So this is my advice to Yorubas, because the Yorubas now own power. It is a high time you people use this power to give freedom to everyone. Nigeria cannot be won by force and will become a slave again, the place we call our country. Look at how everything is going. People are going day by day because of hardship. People cannot even eat as like before. So people share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section. Tell me about the army Simon Ekpa release, and also share this video.